Today we'll be cooking calderetang kambing. Okay, let's start cooking. We need garlic, onions, and we needed carrots, potatoes, and also we need bell pepper. In a pot, put oil, throw our garlic, saute it in a few minutes until it's turned brown. And now we will add our onions. Saute it together with garlic. After a few minutes, we will add now our goat meat. This goat meat is pre-boiled already. Let's mix it a little so it's thick. Now we will add ground black pepper, a teaspoon of it, and soy sauce. We'll make it tansya-tansya. And now our calamansi juice. And we will add water. This will be served as sabaw. Mix it. And we will simmer. And we will add our chopped carrots. It's okay, it's not uniform in size. After a few simmering, let's uncover. Oh, careful. It's hot. Nabitawan tuloy. It's already simmering. Throw our potatoes. It's too many. Haha. I-mix ng onti. Put back the cover. Okay. Tada! We will add other ingredients gradually. But now, make it mix it. Okay, that was our liver spread. We dissolve it in water. We bring back to simmer. Some green chilies for some spice. A little bit of kick. Okay. Salt to taste. It's look delicious. Simmering the meat will penetrate the meat and will explode the sauce inside. Did you smell it already? Kagutom good. Looks the color, it's really delicious. My cameraman is not really good. It's always shaking, not focusing on my dish. Few minutes later again. It is almost done. Look. Bell pepper. And scallion for presentation and some aroma. Finishing touch. And we're done cooking. Look. It's tender and that's juicy. I hope you enjoy our cooking. See you again next time on our channel. See ya!